Today I'm gonna show you how to get a flag map or Countryball on CapCut. Open Ibis Paint X. Click My Gallery. Click the plus button on the bottom. Import your flag map or Countryball. Hit Cancel. Open Paint Bucket. Select a color not on the Countryball or flag map. I chose pink. Fill the background. With Paint Bucket, click little arrow. At the bottom, hit Save as PNG. Open CapCut. Open your project. Add overlay. Resize it. Scroll over to Cutout. Click Chroma key. Drag the circle to the color in the background. Select intensity. I recommend 4 to 6. Size it, and you're done. I hope this tutorial helped you. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.